In today's video, I'll show you how to use the ElevenLabs Reader App step by step. First, download and install the Eleven Reader App on your Android or iPhone device. The app allows you to listen to articles, PDFs, ebooks, web pages, and other text content using AI-generated voices. Open the app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap Add Content. Choose how you want to import content. Paste text, upload a PDF or document, add a web link, import a supported file. The app will process your content and prepare it for reading. Next, select a voice. Browse the available voices and choose the one you want to use for narration. After selecting a voice, tap Play. The app will begin reading your content aloud using AI voice narration. Use the playback controls to play or pause, skip forward or backward, adjust playback speed. You can also switch voices at any time while listening. If needed, bookmark your place and return later. Once you're finished, your content remains available in your library for future listening. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the ElevenLabs Reader App. And that's how you use the ElevenLabs Reader App.